What's going on today, guys? 2011 Ram 3500. It's all the same, even 1500s. Show you how to remove the rear bumper. Here's the bumper in question. She squished right there. The box side took a nasty hit. I'll show you the bolts that we got to take off. Behind the license plate, you're gonna have two 15 mil head bolts. Take those guys out. Crawl underneath the truck. Find your frame rail. There's your two 15s right there. Gonna be two on each side. This is the passenger side. Find the frame rail. And there's the other two 15s. Take those four guys out. Don't forget to unplug your wiring. The bumper should come off pretty easy. I do believe the model years are 09 to 19 for the same style of truck, but I imagine that it's pretty easy to from any other year because they're all gonna be built similar, but I believe this 2011, it'll go from 09 to 19, should have the same hardware, the same bumper and everything. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as well. So there's the two behind the license plate, the frame horns. They go on this bracket here. There's the two behind the plate. This plastic piece is all bent out of shape. And then those guys right there. That's what the back side of it looks like. Yeah, don't forget your wiring, of course. Plug can be a little difficult, full of dirt, but clean it out the best you can. Push the tab in and pull it. So super simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is kind of a no BS, straight to the point kind of video, so I hope you like that. I'm going to try and keep coming out with more content in relations to how to take things apart and anything auto body related. Check out my shorts, my other videos if you're interested in paintwork. But we'll see you on the next one.